Hello friends, now for this chapter complex number. In my previous lectures I had covered the exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and miscellaneous exercise MCQ part 1 and from the part 2 question number 1. Link of all videos is given if you click the I button. जर तुम्ही I बटन जर क्लिक केलं तर या सर्व एक्सरसाइजच्या सर्व व्हिडिओचे लिंक्स तुम्हाला मिळतील. तर या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी सेकंड पार्ट मधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 आणि 4 एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. Question number 2. Solve the following equations. X or y belongs to set of real number. Means we want to find out here the value of x and y. The first is in bracket 4 minus 5y bracket complete into x plus 2 plus 3i bracket complete into y is equals to 10 minus 7i. And now we will simplify here. X into 4 you will get 4x. X into minus 5y you will get 5ix. Then y into 2 you will get 2y. Y into 3i you will get 3iy. And that's equals to 10 minus 7i. Now collect the real and imaginary parts. The real part is 4x plus 2y in the first bracket, 4x plus 2y. Imaginary part is a minus 5ix and plus 3iy. And therefore, here we take the I as a common. Then in bracket you will get minus 5x plus 3y bracket complete into I is equals to 10 minus 7i. Equating the real and the imaginary parts separately. Then you will get 4x plus 2y is equals to 10. Second is minus 5x plus 3y is equals to minus 7. Now we'll solve this. That is multiplied the equation 1 by 3. Equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Okay. Then what you will get? That is if we multiplied equation 1 by 3, that is a 12x plus 6y is equals to 30. And if we multiply the equation 2 by 2, then you will get minus 10x plus 6y minus 14. And that, okay, this is the fourth one. If we subtract the, then you will get here, that is if I write here 12x plus 6y is equals to 30. And the next is a minus 10x plus 6y, then you will get it is a minus 14. Subtraction जर केलं तर इथे sign change होणार. Here is a plus minus and again plus. Okay, plus 6y minus 6y get cancelled. 12x plus 10x you will get 22x, and next is a 30 plus 14 you will get here 44, and therefore x is equals to 2. That is a 44 upon 2, you will get x is equals to 2. Put x is equals to 2 in equation number 1. That is a 4x plus 2y is equals to 10. X is replaced by 2. 4 into 2, you will get 8. 8 plus 2y is equals to 10, and therefore 2y is equals to 10 minus 8, you will get here 2. And that's why 2y is equals to 2. 2y is equals to 2, and hence y is equals to 1. Therefore, the values of x and y are x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. Okay. Now the next. Again, solve the following for the x and y, where x, y belongs to set of real number. What is that? X plus iy upon 2 plus 3i is equals to 7 minus I. Now here the cross multiplication करणार इथे. X plus iy is equals to 7 minus I in first bracket into second bracket 2 plus 3i. Next multiplication, 7 into 2 you will get 14. 7 into 3i you will get 21i. Minus I into 2 you will get minus 2i. Minus I into 3i minus 3i square. I square is a minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 you will get here 3. Therefore x plus iy is equals to 14. 21i minus 2i, you will get 19i. Minus 3i square. I square is a minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1, you will get here 3. Okay. 14 plus 3, that is a 17 plus 19i. Equating the real and imaginary part, you will get the value of x is 17 and y is equals to 19. Easy question. Okay? Next is solve again for the values of x and y. In first bracket x plus iy into second bracket 5 plus 6i is equals to 2 plus 3i. Okay. The solution is in first bracket x plus iy into 5 plus 6i is equals to 2 plus 3i. Therefore, x plus iy is equals to 2 plus 3i upon 5 plus 6i. Now multiply numerator and denominator 5 minus 6i. That is the conjugate of denominator. Okay. By normal multiplication करना 2 into 5 you will get 10. 2 into minus 6i minus 12i. 3i into 5 you will get 15i. 3i into minus 6i you will get minus 18i square. Okay. But what about the I square? I square is a minus 1. Therefore, minus 18 I square is a minus 1 and overall you will get here 18. Okay. Minus 12i plus 15i you will get 3i. 10 plus 3i plus 18. 10 plus 18, 28 plus 3i. 25 plus 36 you will get 61. And therefore, you will get here 28 upon 61 plus 3 upon 61 into I, and hence equating again a real and imaginary part, you will get here x is equals to 28 upon 61 and y is equals to 3 upon 61. These are the values. Okay. Now the next, again solve the following for the x and y belongs to set of real number. 2x plus I raised to 9 into y in bracket 2 plus I is equals to x I raised to 7 plus 10 I raised to 16. Okay. 2x plus I raised to 9 into y into in bracket again 2 plus I is equals to x I raised to 7 plus 10 I raised to 16. Okay. 2x plus I raised to 9 into y. Okay. And again here the same step is repeated. Now we'll find out the value of I raised to 9. My I raised to 9 means what? I raised to 8 into I. But what is I raised to 8? I square bracket raised to 4 into I. But what about the I square? I square is a minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 means what? Plus 1. Plus 1 into I, you will get here I. I raised to 7 means what? I raised to 6 into I. I raised to 6 means what? I square bracket raised to 3. But I square is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 3 means what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into I, you will get here minus I. I raised to 16 means what? I square bracket raised to 8. I square is a minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4. You will get here 1. Okay. Given equation becomes, okay, now substitute the value a 2x. Okay. It is a, as it is a 2x. I raised to 9. What is the value of I raised to 9? Is I. I raised to 9 is I. That is I, y in bracket 2 plus I. This is I, y in bracket 2 plus I. What about the next? I raised to 7. I raised to 7 is a minus I. And hence you will get minus ix. And the last is a I raised to 16 means what? 1. 1 into 10, you will get here 10. Substitute the values here. Therefore 2x plus iy into in bracket 2 plus I is equals to minus ix plus 10. Okay. 2x is as it is. Yeah, iy ने 2 ला multiplied करना, then you will get 2 iy. iy ने I ला multiplied करना, you will get I square into y. Minus ix plus 10. Okay. Next, 2x plus 2iy. I square means what? Minus y. Minus ix plus 10. Okay. 2x plus 2iy minus y. Now collect this term minus ix plus 10 to the left hand side and they will become plus ix minus 10 and that's equals to 0. Okay. आता पुन्हा इथे रिअल पार्ट्स कलेक्ट करायचे. That is 2x minus y minus 10. 2x minus y minus 10 plus Imaginary part 2iy plus ix. Collect the I. Therefore, x plus 2i bracket complete into I, and that's equals to 0. Now 0 can be written as 0. This 0 can be written as 0 plus 0 into I. Equating the real and imaginary part. Equating the real and imaginary parts separately, then you will get 2x minus y minus 10 is equals to 0. Next is x plus 2y is equals to 0. Okay. Now we will solve these two equations. कौन-कौन सी equations है? The first is 2x minus y is equals to 10. What about the second? X plus 2y is equals to 0. Multiplying equation 1 by 2, then you will get pehla question है the 2 ने multiply करना, then you will get 4x minus 2y is equals to 20. Okay, here is a 4x minus 2y is equals to 20. Now we will add these two equations. X plus 2y is equals to 0. X plus 2y. If we add these two, then 4x plus x, you will get 5x is equals to 20, and hence x is equals to, that is a 20 upon 5. Okay, 20 upon 5, you will get x is equals to 4. Here x is equals to 4, and here x is equals to 4. Now from the 2, put x is equals to 4 here, that is 4 plus 2y is equals to 0. Therefore 2y is equals to minus 4, and hence y is equals to minus 4 upon 2. You will get y is equals to minus 2, and hence the value of x and y are x is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 2. Easy question है तो okay. फक्त values तुम्हाला substitute करायच्यात आयच्यात. Then equating the real and imaginary part, you will get the two simultaneous equations solved. Next, evaluate question number 3. Evaluate first in bracket 1 minus I plus I square bracket is to minus 15. Now the 1 minus I plus I square bracket is to minus 15. I square is minus 1. Okay. And therefore 1 minus I minus 1 bracket is to minus 15. Now here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. You will get here minus I bracket is to minus 15. आता याची power plus करून लिहिणार. Therefore 1 upon minus I bracket is to 15. Okay. Now this can be again written as minus I means what? Minus 1 into I. Okay. This is written as like this. Minus I means what? Minus 1 into I whole bracket is to 15. म्हणजेच काय? Minus 1 raised to 15 into I raised to 15. But minus 1 raised to 15 means what? Minus 1 raised to odd number is always minus, and hence it's a minus I raised to 15. Now 1 upon minus I raised to 15 means what? Minus 1 upon I raised to 15. But I raised to 15 is written as I raised to 14 into I. But what is I raised to 14? I square bracket raised to 7. But what is I square? I square is a minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 7 into I. Minus 1 raised to 7 means what again? Minus 1. Minus 1 into I, you will get minus I. And this minus and minus, minus 1 upon minus I, that get plus, and hence you will get 1 upon I. आता हे आपल्याला इव्हॅल्युएट करायचं आहे 1 upon I. मल्टिप्लाइड एन एन डी 1 upon I. याच्या न्यूमरेटरला डिनोमिनेटरला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? तर I ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. 1 into I, you will get I. I into I, you will get here I square. I square is a minus 1. That is I upon minus 1, you will get here minus I. Okay. And hence the answer is minus I. And that is in bracket 1 minus I plus I square bracket is to minus 15. That's equals to minus I. Now the next. Evaluate again I raised to 131 plus I raised to 49. I raised to 131 can be written as I raised to 130 into I. And I raised to 49 can be written as I raised to 48 into I. I raised to 138 means what? 130 means what? I square bracket is to 65 into I. Plus I square bracket is to 24 into I. I square means what? Minus 1. minus 1 raised to 65, you will get minus I. Next, I square is again minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 24, you will get plus 1. Plus 1 into I, you will get here I. And again minus I plus I. And hence you will get here 0. And this is the value of I raised to 131 plus I raised to 49. Okay, easy question. Eh? Next, question number 4. First, that is find the value of x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 21 if x is equals to 1 plus 2i. Okay, now first see this here. X is equals to 1 plus 2i. हे काय आपण डायरेक्ट इथे टाकणार नाही. Now we'll solve this. X is equals to 1 plus 2i. Therefore, x minus 1 is equals to 2i. Squaring on both sides. Then you will get x minus 1 bracket square is equals to 4i square. X minus 1 bracket square चा expansion करणार इथे x square minus 2x plus 4i square. I square is a minus 1. That is a minus 4. And therefore, you will get here x square minus 2x 1. हा minus 4 इकडे आणणार. That will become plus. Okay. Therefore, x square minus 2x plus 5. That is equals to 0. Okay. आता इथे बघा x square minus 2x plus 5. याने या पॉलिनॉमियलला आपण डिवाइड करणार and जे काही रिमाइंडर मिळेल that will be the value of that given polynomial. Now see this here. Now see this here, the division. Okay. The first is x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 21 is divided by x square minus 2x plus 5. I will write here x square minus 2x plus 5. आता इथे फर्स्ट टर्म काय तर x क्यूब आहे. म्हणजे x ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला x क्यूब मिळेल. That is by x. x into x square, you will get here x cube. X into minus 2x, you will get minus 2x square. X into 5, then you will get 5x. Now the subtraction. It's a minus. Change the sign. Plus and again minus. Plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. You will get here 0. Plus 2x square plus 2x square. You will get here plus 4x square. Next is a minus 3x minus 5x. You will get here minus 8x and plus 21. आता पुन्हा इथे फर्स्ट टर्म काय आहे तर 4x square आहे. मग इथे 4x square येण्यासाठी x ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. That is by 4. We will multiply by 4 to get the 4x square. And hence you will get here 4x square. That is 4 into x square. You will get 4x square. 4 into minus 2x. You will get minus 8x. 4 into 5. Then you will get here the 20. Now the change the sign. Minus plus and here the minus. Plus 4x minus 4x get cancelled. You get here 0 and plus 1. And hence the value is nothing but the remainder of this division. And therefore the answer is 1. Value of polynomial is 1. Okay, and therefore this is the answer. Now the next, this is the answer. Again, find the value of x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 164 if x is equals to minus 5 plus 4i. Again, x is equals to minus 5 plus 4i. Now minus 5 clear, x plus 5 is equals to 4i, squaring on both sides. Then you will get x square plus 10x plus 25. 16i square. I square is a minus 1. That is a minus 16. A minus 16 point that will become plus. Therefore, you will get x square plus 10x plus 41 that's equals to 0. आता पुन्हा x square plus 10x plus 41 ने या whole polynomial ला आपण divide करणार. Now see this here. Okay. Here is x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35 x square minus x plus 164. And here we have x square plus 10x plus 41. What is the first term is x raised to 4. Therefore, to get the x raised to 4, we have to multiply x square by x square. पुन्हा आपण x square ने याला multiply करणार. X square into x square, you will get x raised to 4. X square into 10x, then you will get 10x cube. X square into 41. Therefore, you will get here 41 x square. Now change the sign. Minus, the minus and minus. Plus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 get cancelled. 9x cube minus 10x cube, you will get minus x cube. 35x square minus 41x square, you will get minus 6x square minus x plus 164. आता इथे किती minus x cube आहे. इथे minus x cube येण्यासाठी या x square ला कशाने multiply करणार तर minus x cube. To get the minus x cube, we have to multiply this x square by minus x and therefore minus x. Minus x into x square, you will get here minus x cube. Minus x into minus 10x, then you will get here minus 10x square. Next is minus x plus 41, you will get here minus 41x. Okay. Now we change. This is the plus, plus and plus. Plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus 6x square plus 10x square, you will get here 4x square minus x plus 41x, you will get here 40x plus 164. Now the next multiplication. To get here 4x square, we have to multiply this x square by 4. Okay, therefore 5 plus 4. Here is a 4x square plus 4 into 10. You will get here 40x. 4 into 41. Here is a 164. And what about their subtraction? Change the sign. Here the minus, minus and minus. You will get here 0 plus 0 and plus 0. And hence the value of polynomial is nothing but the remainder and its value is 0. Okay. And hence we can write here also that is the dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. But what is the value of x square plus 10x plus 41? That is a 0. 0 into x square minus x plus 4, that is a 0. Okay. And plus 0. And overall you will get the value of the polynomial is 0. And hence 0 is the answer. And in this way I had completed the from the second part question number 2, 3, 4. आणि तुम्हाला माझ्या या सर्व व्हिडिओच्या लिंक्स मिळतील जर तुम्ही आय बटनवर जर क्लिक केलं तर. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.